Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to see bird's eye view on Google Maps. This feature gives you a stunning aerial perspective of any location, perfect for exploring cities, landmarks, or even planning trips with a realistic view from above. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to google.com/maps. This will take you straight to Google Maps homepage where you can access all the mapping features. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar Google Maps interface with a search bar prominently displayed at the top. Now, in that search bar, go ahead and type in the location you want to view. This could be a city name, a specific address, or even a famous landmark. For example, you might search for the Eiffel Tower or New York City. After typing your location, hit enter, and Google Maps will navigate to that area, centering it on your screen. Next, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here you'll find an option labeled Layers. Hover your mouse over this Layers button and you'll see additional options appear. From these options, click on More. This will expand the Layers menu to reveal even more viewing options that Google Maps has to offer. In the expanded menu, look for the option that says Satellite and click on it. This switches your map view from the standard street map to a satellite imagery view showing you real photographs taken from above. Right after selecting Satellite, you'll notice a checkbox appears labeled Globe View. Make sure to check this box as it's essential for enabling the three-dimensional bird's eye perspective we're aiming for. Once you've enabled Globe View, take a look at the right side of your screen. You should now see a 3D button appear in the controls. This button is your gateway to the bird's eye view. Click on it and watch as the map transforms. And there you have it. The view will shift into a stunning bird's eye perspective, giving you that immersive aerial view of your chosen location. You can now explore the area from above, tilt the view, and rotate it to see different angles. It's an incredibly useful tool for getting a real sense of a place before visiting or simply exploring the world from your computer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.